Hey everyone, today we're setting up a powerful automation, creating a WooCommerce coupon and automatically applying it to specific users via a Klaviyo segment. This involves creating the coupon, finding the Klaviyo segment ID, and using a plugin to link and hide the code. 1. Create the WooCommerce coupon. First, we define the discount code directly in your WooCommerce settings. 1. Navigate to Coupons, WordPress admin panel /WooCommerce/coupons and click Add New. 2. Set details. Set the coupon name, for example, VIP10. 3. Define discount. Choose the discount type, for example, percentage discount, and enter the discount amount, for example, 10. 4. Save. Next, find the Klaviyo segment ID. You need the unique identifier of the Klaviyo segment that will receive this discount. 1. Log into Klaviyo. 2. Locate segment. Go to Lists and Segments. Locate the desired segment, for example, VIP customers. 3. Copy ID. Click the segment row to open its details. In the Settings tab, find and copy the list ID, which is often displayed as the segment ID. Next, link the coupon via plugin settings. A third-party plugin is required to connect the WooCommerce code to the Klaviyo segment. 1. Open Plugin Settings. Navigate to the plugin settings page, for example, wp-guts/Klaviyo plugin settings. 2. Add segment coupon. Select the Segment Coupons tab and click Add Segment Coupon. 3. Fill fields. Enter the segment ID you copied from Klaviyo and the coupon code, for example, VIP10. 4. Save. Finally, when a logged-in customer belongs to the linked Klaviyo segment, the coupon is automatically applied to their cart and checkout without manual entry. Only the discount amount will now be displayed at checkout. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.